Hi, my name is Najibulo, and this is my 9th lesson. In this lesson, I will demonstrate how to use standard Cinema 4D tools to create smooth, dynamic motion reminiscent of cloth or inflated cloth. No simulations, just pure geometry and a few deformers. Simple setup, but impressive results.
To make the fabric look smooth, I added a lot of segments to the plane. Now let's take a look at the objects I used for the vertex maps. As usual, we've got the letter G plus 2 tubes. Next, let's check the vertex map on the plane itself. I created a second vertex map to smooth out the corners using the average mode. Now let's see what these masks are for. The first deformer is a formula. I used it to limit the wave along the edges. For that, I created 3 vertex maps and applied a gradient inside the shader field.
T times 2 animates the wave over time, making it travel along the x-axis. X times 0.2 controls the wave frequency along the x-axis, basically the distance between the crests. The second formula generates radial waves. They spread outward from the center, move over time, and gradually fade away. Finally, the main formula I used creates multiple waves that intersect along both the x and z axes. The waves move in both directions at once, forming a grid-like pattern. The surface rises and falls in crossing ridges, almost like ripples on water, or fabric gently moving in the wind. Now let's take a look at the parameters of the deformers. I forgot to mention that in all the formulas, as well as in the displacement inside the field, I used vertex maps. I also added collision so that the letter G and the tubes had volume and could interact with the dynamics of the spheres. These spheres were part of the original video, and thanks to the collision, they moved together with the wave. This makes the whole scene look much more dynamic. Of course, you can also use this setup without vertex maps and without collision. In that case, you'll simply get regular dynamic waves. I didn't show the material settings here because I used ready-made materials from the asset browser. The main goal of this lesson was to demonstrate how to create nice, dynamic waves without using cloth. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.